Okay, this is I'm Joshua. I'm recording this to for task 11, cracking WEP Wi-Fi network. As you can see, this is my output. Right, I got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I set it up my own SSID, and with this WEPK, and I was able to crack it. Let me prove how I'm doing it. Okay, first, right, okay. First thing that we must do is to start with this command, rmon-ng, rmon. And we can see this is my virtual interface to monitoring the Wi-Fi traffic, and I'm using this chipset. The problem with this kind of lab is because it's hard to find, not really hard, but it's a bit tricky to find the right chipset that can be used for our monitoring stuff with Kali Linux. So you have to choose the right chipset to do that. Okay. And after that, you type that command. Start with this command, and we'll activate like this one, right? And then, okay, not this one again. Okay, now it's already set up. So after you following the command below before, we type this one, air dump ngmo and 0. This one is the, like I said before, we need this as virtual interface monitoring the SSID, BSSID. Okay, let's Control C. Let's stop this one. We got this golden box is my BSSID, and then it's WEP. Of course, I already set it up before. In the channel 1. And this is the MAC address of my access point for that Wi-Fi router. Okay, what we need is this one, the channels, and write the name of the SSID. I'm choosing to write the exactly same name. Okay, like this. Like this. Type this kind of command, right? Type this one here, and it's running. It's sniffing out the package coming from there. It might be take around 20 or 25. It depends on your Wi-Fi adapter card, how good, and the traffic's that is going on inside the Wi-Fi router, right? To make it faster, actually, if you see the IVS data is going very slow, you can speed it up with AirPlay command, which is, it's like you make them to deauthorize the connections and force them to reauthorize the connection, which is I make them to do more three handshakes connections. I mean, before the Wi-Fi connected, they're gonna do like acknowledgement, sending the request, probing like that in the Wi-Fi. And with iReplay, we can force them to do it much more often. That actually we are going, the things that we need to find is the three handshake process that we need to find. That's why we make the speed up to force them to do that much more often. But in this case, I don't think we really need a replay, because it's the traffic's going on. I'm using this device to request, and then my PC over there and my phone and everything. I start to mechanically turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on again. Well, it's the fastest way I think I can do. Well, we just need to wait a couple of minutes, okay, to grab this kind of informations. Right, we just wait for a moment, and I'm gonna pause this video and move forward to the next 10 minutes. Minute 3, I added up more devices. It's running. Let's speed up again for another maybe 5 minutes. Okay, I think it should be enough because we got a very huge of the IVS data. So what I'm gonna do next is we're going to do like air crack -ng, and then the what was that? It should be like this, ng, and then the name, golden box, dash. Automatically I test, and then 01, that was my first attempt, so this is my second, so we start with 02. Automatically added up, increase the number, and then cap, we see. Yep, so we found the key. So we found the key over here. This is the key.